Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news today is all about the RBNZ and its June monetary policy statement. We'll have full coverage starting at 9 o'clock today and a live stream of Governor Wheeler's press conference starting at 11 o'clock. Markets are not expecting any rate change, but the real interest will be on how they are assessing the Auckland housing bubble. But we start the day with news that the New Zealand dollar is pushing higher, something no doubt the Governor will not be wanting to hear. In the US, there is more labour market news. The pace of hiring is slowing while the number of job openings are holding or rising. That suggests employers are struggling to find enough qualified workers. Another report identified some regions where wages grew more than 10% in the past year. And in another report, good growth in the American service sector in the first quarter, up 3.6% from the same period a year ago. We should also note that the Indian monsoon arrived overnight, right on normal. This is a crucial event for one of the world's largest economies and probably means food production and prices will be normal there this year. Singapore has announced that its public servants will be blocked from using their internet at work from May next year. Security reasons are being cited. And in Australia, Moody's says that signs of a acceleration in house prices there and increasing household leverage are credit negative for Australian banks. This is because these factors raise downside risks in the housing market and can lead to second-order impacts on broad economic activity. The World Bank has slashed its global growth forecast to 2.4%, down from 2.9% that it used in January, amid what it calls stubbornly low commodity prices, faltering growth in advanced economies, weak global trade and shrinking capital flows. The drop is especially strong in Russia, Latin America and the Middle East. That stance seems at odds with today's markets, which show rising commodity prices and rising equity prices on Wall Street. The Dow is above 18,000 and the S&P 500 is above 2,100, both key support levels. However, the benchmark US Treasury 10 yield is not moving much, now in a tight range at 1.7%. The oil price is higher again, with the US benchmark now just over $51 a barrel and the Brent benchmark just over $52 a barrel. Strong demand is driving the rise. The gold price is up $17 to $1,260 an ounce. And finally, New Zealand dollar starts today quite a bit stronger. It's 70.2 US cents, 94 Aussie cents and 61.6 euro cents. The TWI is now at 73.2, its highest level of the year. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.